Alisa Bordo, felt textile artist. I live in Mannheim, South Germany. Thank you for choosing my new video tutorial, ABCs of Cobweb Scarf. For almost 15 years, I have created felted accessories, scarves, shawls, wraps, and hats. I would like to invite you to a virtual tour through my atelier and my art market stand. In this tutorial, I will introduce you to some of my favorite felting techniques, supplies, tools, and my strategies as a maker. Cobweb scarves are the focus of my business strategy. Every year, I create hundreds of one-of-a-kind scarves and shawls for the German autumn and Christmas art markets. How do I optimize this process, choose the best materials, uncouple the dry and wet phases of felting? How do I avoid burning out? How do I make the beautiful labels and invent new yummy names for my scarves collections? I will share all of these secrets with you. In this video, I will show you step by step how to make these 3 basic models of cobweb scarves. The first model is called Harmony, with silk fabric, ruffles, and a shiny surface made with different decorative fibers. The second one is Flamenco. It has a complex decor, vegetable fibers, neps, silk scraps. The third one is Unisex. It is beloved by my male customers and has a beautiful fringe. You may create these models in natural or neutral colors, or choose vibrant shades and bold colors. Neutral and bright, with frill or with fringe, these scarves will become a main part of your wardrobe or your assortment.